right, we escaped. We got spooked. We found all the spooks. There is some spooks in there. This thing will get you.
It will. Be sure to check the online because it tells about the characters that I didn't even know it till this morning. It tells the storyline, the characters, and I think we pretty much found them all. We're going to go through again in a little bit. We bought enough to ride twice.
It is $3.50, and the armbands do not work for it.
Yeah,
it's $3.50. Pay the $3.50. Don't be cheap. Go ride it.
Just go ride it. Absolutely.